Hey everybody, welcome back. So if you're new here, go smash that subscribe button. And today I just have a color video for you. I thought I made an introduction, but I did not, apparently. So I'm going to have before and after pictures at the end of this video. So what I done is I put pink in my hair, and I used Joico Semipermanent Hair Color. So you will see you want straight lines. Your edges is very important. You don't want jagged lines because you don't want color like jagged. You want straight, even lines. So you will see that in my before and after. Well, my before pictures, because I have it pulled to where you can see it. So I done a two-step process because you need to pre-lighten your hair before you put vibrant, bright colors in there, because if not, it's going to turn out dark and you wouldn't really see it, because my hair is pretty dark. So I did bleach it first. So you will get you some bleach and some developer. You will mix it to a 1-to-1, but bleach, you can just do it to a good consistency. You don't want it chunky or thick, and you do not want it running, because you don't want it running everywhere. So you want it like a good consistency. So without further ado, we're going to jump right into this. I'm going to show you before and after pictures at the end. And I do show like bleaching and stuff like that, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so it is bleached. And I look so weird with blonde hair. And just to think, I was blonde all the time when I was younger, so not anymore. I like being dark brown headed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap a towel around me, and then we're going to slap this color on. Don't look so bad through it, does it? Don't mind me. I'm ready for this color. Hopefully turns out the way I want it to. And I'm just putting a towel on me so I do not get color on my shirt. Even though it is an old shirt, but so I'm going to time lapse you while I do this, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so I have my color in. I'm going to wash my face. And I'm going to let this process. So we're going to see how this turns out. I hope it turns out so pretty. It kind of looks purple, and I hope it does not turn out purple. But I'll see you in 20 minutes, and we'll rinse this out. Okay guys, so here's my hair. I think it turned out pretty. So there's my hair color. I think it's pretty. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If there's any other color you would like to see, I do have mannequins that I can dye. But I think my hair turned out pretty. I just gotta get the dye off my face, which will be no big deal, because I have stuff to take it off with. If you have any questions about how to dye your hair, the process, leave a comment below. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.